Hi, preschoolers.
Hi, preschoolers.
We are gonna work together with you guys and make.
We're gonna show you how to make this project we sent home last week.
The one with the paper plate and all the pieces. That's what it's gonna be. Pretty cute. So the first thing you have to do is color your plate. So if you have crayons, you want to do that. Blue on top, brown on the bottom. If you happen to have paint,
then you can paint it blue on top, brown on the bottom. Whatever you have at home, or markers.
Yeah.
Whichever way you want to do it.
All right, so the first thing you have to do is you're gonna find the brown robin and follow those black lines with your very best cutting. And once you have that cut out, what side are we gonna put the glue on?
On the back side. Keep the black lines on the front.
Okay, so we're gonna glue the side that has no lines. And Miss Carla's doing her very best gluing.
I am being very careful. Okay.
Look at that.
There's our start. Next, you're going to find your red paper. Because on your robin's breast, he's got red chest. So we can cut that out. And we're going to glue on the back. Leave the black lines on the front.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's looking like a bird.
It's coming.
What are we gonna do next? I think we should give him a beak so he can sing.
His little orange beak.
I suppose it's a she if she has eggs.
I suppose.
It's a she.
It's a she. It's a mama robin.
It's a mama bird.
Okay, so we're going to do like Miss Angie taught us. And just put that on there and rub it around instead of glue all over our tables.
There you go. Oh, it's so cute.
Look. There. And he needs or she needs an eye to see, so we gotta give her an eye.
So if you have a black marker, black crayon, any color, just give him a dot for his eye. Her. Why do I keep saying him?
I don't know.
It's a her. Mama robin.
Mama robin. Then she's sitting on her nest, right? Because it's brown at the bottom. And she has eggs in her nest. So we need to cut out our blue eggs.
Robins have blue eggs. It's even, isn't there a color called robin egg blue?
Blue. Look at how little they are. So you have 3 eggs to cut out.
3 eggs. Do your best cutting.
We're going to put our glue on just like this again. And you can put them anywhere in Mama's nest that you want.
Yeah.
But they go kind of so they're sticking out at the top of the nest.
There's one.
There's one.
Miss Carla's just doing a fantastic job, you guys. Look at
Trying
this.
to be so careful. Now here's all 3 eggs laying in the nest.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now we're gonna give it some fun nest. So you guys have this stuff sent home. And what you're gonna do is hold it and just kind of cut some off. You can make it any size you want.
Just keep
do
going.
a bunch of cutting so you have a pile of nest. So you're gonna have this. And the easiest way to put this on your nest is to just use your glue stick and put on your brown color. Just go right on over it, and then you get to push all these fun pieces of grass to make her nest for her, because that's what robins really do. Sometimes they make a huge mess at my house when they're building nests up in the playhouse wood.
My house
And it
too.
all hang down, and then they get it nice and neat.
And they go and they find sticks, and they find, like if I brush my dog outside, they find all the soft dog hair.
Oh yeah.
Or twigs and grass. And then they have a cute little nest. See, this is just part of our nest glued on. And the purple will dry clear.
Here.
And then you'll have your bird, your robin nest.
And I bet your guys is gonna look amazing. This is
Yes.
with lots of grass, and you guys have enough to fill up your nest. So however you guys want to do it, this is what yours is gonna look like when you're done. And you know what? We would love to see some pictures of your finished product. So if your mom or dad or yourself, I'm sure maybe even you know how, take a picture of it, send it to Mrs. Matson so we can all see the end result, because I'm sure your guys' robins are amazing. Thanks for working with
Bye.
us.
Have fun.
Bye.
Miss you guys.
Love you.